model, 2010 Volkswagen Fox spares or repairs, runs and drives, has a Misfire grade first. Body, grey, hatchback. Mileage, 121981. Engine, 1198 cc 1.2, 55 bhp, E4. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a Misfire. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seat area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest car which has been well looked after. Features, 4 former keepers, wind-up windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999.